Let's learn how to find the best restaurants using OpenTable. First, go on OpenTable app, and when you are come, look at in the bottom of the screen and you can see a little magnified icon and go on it. Now on this page you can see all the restaurants is closest to you, but if you want a specific location, go on search bar and then go on current location and enter the location you want. I will choose a New York City and search for it in the top right corner of the screen. Next, OpenTable app shows to you all the restaurant in location you entered before, and to find best restaurant, click in the filter button in top left corner of the screen. After that, OpenTable app opens to you a side menu. You can put the details you want, but in this case, you need to scroll to the bottom of the page and you can see an option called Award and Winning and click on it. That will show to you a more option and you need to select a Michelin, and that's mean you want to OpenTable app show to you all restaurant with Michelin star and apply for it, and you can see the best restaurant in location you search. Thanks for watching.